Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about biology. The topic today is about DNA. So now I will show you how to answer. A double-stranded DNA has totally 3,900 hydrogen bonds and 9,000 nucleotides of guanine. How many adenine, cytosine, thymine, and guanine? So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to know that A, that's about adenine. They will go to T, thymine, and we know that cytosine, they will go to G, guanine, and that's the first step. And the second one, the hydrogen bonds, we know that A connect with T with 2 hydrogen bonds, C with G, that's about 3. Now let's say I will put about S, that is about the number of A's, then also the number of T. I will put the Y, that means the numbers of C, they also same with the numbers of G. So because we have 3,900 hydrogen bonds in here, that means we will have about number 2 multiplied by 2s, because we have 2 hydrogen bonds for A and 2 hydrogen bonds for T. That's why we have 2s multiplied by 2, that's it from here. And we have number 3 multiplied by 2y. Similar, we have 3 for C, 3 for G. And that is about 3,900. And the next one, we have 900 nucleotides of guanine. So we have G, and that's about Y equals to 900. We put number 2 in here because this is about double-stranded. So we have this equation, and now we can find the solution of S and Y. So Y equal to 450 and S, that is about 150. So for this one, we have S is about 150 for 8 and for T, and Y we have 450 for C and G. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.